Reminding you of function notation, if I have a function f of x is equal to x over x plus 1, and they want me to find f of 1 minus root 2, all I do is substitute the 1 minus root 2 in for x. So f of 1 minus root 2 is equal to, put 1 minus root 2 in for x, every x, 1 minus root 2 over 1 minus root 2 plus 1. Okay, that's the x right here. Now, let's simplify this. 1 minus root 2 over 2 minus root 2. Well, now I have to rationalize this denominator, so I'm going to multiply this by 2 plus root 2, because the middle term will drop out there, and I'll end up with a rational number on the denominator instead of an irrational number. So 2 plus root 2 multiplied by this will give me, again, the top ones, okay, will give me 2, that's the first, and the outers are 1 times root 2, which is just plus root 2, minus, the inside is minus 2 root 2, and the last term is just going to be minus 2, all over. Remember, the middle, the outer, and the inners are going to drop out here, and I'm just going to get 2 times 2, which is 4, and I'm going to get minus 2. Now I have 2 minus 2, and then I have a positive root 2 and 2 negative root 2, so I'm going to get minus root 2 over 2. At first this one might look a little bit difficult for you, but it's really not that bad, because if you remember, as I've said before, a plus b times a minus b, this type of thing is, the middle term again is going to drop out. They must give us so many of these problems so that we'll eventually remember this. So really you just have to square the first minus the square of the second, the last terms. So if we square the first, or multiply these two together, we're just going to get n plus 1. And that's going to be minus n. So the answer to this one is 1.